Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's class, we are going to discuss JavaScript arrays. Before we start doing coding, let's first understand what is array. So, you can understand array as a form of a variable or a container. Like if I talk about variable, what is a variable? Variable is one which stores value, right? It stores value for you. आपको जो भी value है, it's going to store inside that variable. Now, I always store only one item in my variable. For example, I can write var, that we have also done in our last classes. X is equals to, suppose 5. So I can only add this 5 value inside this variable, right? That is only one value at a time. Now, what if I want to add multiple values? In that case, what to do? In that case, we have array. So now I think you can understand that how important array is because many times we have to store multiple values and our program depends on that only. So for this, I have already prepared a basic structure of my web page where I have added HTML, CSS, and I am writing my code of JavaScript into my script tag. Okay, so let's start writing. First of all, let's see how I can declare, how I'm going to declare an array. Okay, so how can I do that? How I'm going to declare? First of all, let me go to the next thing. We have to write the name of the array. Suppose I'm making a color list. Okay, so I'll write color. Now I want to add the values of the colors inside the array. Now, what is the method of writing it? I'll give a square bracket, very important. Then I'll give double quotes. Now I will start writing the name of the color. I write red first, my first element done. Now I will write the second element, let's say black. That too comes should in a double quotes. See, if I'm not writing in double quotes, I showed you it coming in blue color. So please just mention, see the color. Actually, my theme of the Visual Studio in this way. You can work on in your themes accordingly. So here I have, let's say, white color. Again, I have to make it in a double quotes. Okay, let's write one more. So I will write 5 colors at least. So I think we can go with yellow color and maybe pink. Okay, so if I just do so, I can just see that I have now a array which name is color and in which we have multiple values, stores. Very important to give a semicolon in writing JavaScript codes to show that my line over here. Now I want to show this on my screen. I want to display it, right? So to display it, it's very simple. Right now, I'm just doing a console thing as well as I will show you also because I have made a paragraph p tag where I can show all my results. So here I'm going to show all my results. Okay. So if I want to show it on the result particularly, how will I do that? I'll do document dot get element by ID. So it is coming already. I'm taking that. ID of where I want to show it is result. I'll do dot inner HTML, very important, and equals to what I want to show. I want to show the color. So let's see my output. So you can see here red, black, white, yellow, pink. This is how it is coming in a format. Okay, this is how I can show a multiple value. Now see, what if I want to do this thing into an array? If I'm not using an array, then what I can do, I will write color 1 equals to red, then color 2 equals to color 3. So what if I have hundreds of things to store inside it and all belongs to the same group? Shall I do that again and again? No, there would be multiple variables otherwise, right? To escape those things, we have to store the multiple value which belongs to the same group. Now, why I'm saying same group? Because see, this is colors where I have all the color names. Let's, for example, I give another group of arrays. For example, I want to write, suppose, let's say for, we can go for mobile names or maybe like that, right? So I will be making a group of that mobile names only. Getting my point, like Apple, Samsung. So this will be belonging into a same group. So we try to keep the arrays into of same group into the same array group. Okay, so that's the first thing. And how can we declare it? I think I've showed you that as well. Now I want to show you a few more things. Like for example, when I write color, right? So that time it just come total color, which was the output of my entire array. But what if I want to just print red? So, this is very important how array starts reading your elements. So it starts counting it from an index value of 1. So the index value of the first element in array is always starts with 0. Okay, so I can say that the color which index value is 0 is nothing but red. Got it? Now, how I'm going to code for this? How I'm going to code for this? I'm just doing color in square bracket. I will write 0. Now, once I just do that, I can just see color red on it. What if I want only black color to be shown? That's going to be 1. Right? What about the last element pink? So it's going to be like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think it will be going like 4. All right. So this is how you can also show your individual value of an array. I'm going to write a number along with that also. Let's say this is again an example. Suppose 46. And I just write color. Can you see the 46 also coming to it? So it's not necessary that we are adding only the color names over here. Whatever you write on it will be visible. But in a conscious mind, what we have to do is that we have to make a same group of elements inside an array. That's what, rules suggest. Okay. So suppose if I want to say 46, so that's going to be my fifth array. So accordingly, I'll get the answer. Right? So let me remove this again. This was just to show you. Now, next thing that I want to show is that how to find out the length of an array. If I want to find out the length. Okay. So to find the length, it's very simple. We have the option called dot length. Okay. So I will write color and I want to find out the length of the color. So dot length is going to be the my code, and once I do so, can you see the length comes 5, and that is what the length is. See, 1 2 3 4 5. So it gives me the actual length instead of counting as an array length. According to array, it is 0 1 2 3 4. Getting my point? So that's how the length works. Let's understand some more things over here. For example, what if I want to sort my array? So if I want to sort my array, I have to use sort, which is dot sort with a bracket. Sort basically is a function that is an inbuilt function which sorts your value. So see here, it sorts my value. B comes first, then P, then R, then W, then Y. So it just arrange it in ascending order alphabetically. So this is how you can sort any value as well. Now let's understand one more thing. Like what if I want to push any element? Like here I already have red, black, white, yellow, pink. What if I want to add some more elements to it? So right. So I can also push a element into it. For example, I can write color dot push. Now dot push is again a inbuilt function which is going to push a value inside it. So I can use dot push, and then when I do that, so it will push a value which is blue at the end of my array, and it will show me the color that code I already have done. So you can see after pink, I can have blue. Right? So this is how I can add any array. I can also add some more values, like not only blue. Suppose if I want to some add more values, so I can keep on adding it. It's not a problem. Right? So maybe I can go with purple, and you can add a purple to it. That's it. Right? So easy. Now, what if I want to remove it? So if I want to remove it, it's again a very simple, it's going to be pop. So I can just use color dot pop. So it's going to remove the last element from your array. So it was yellow till yellow, then pink. Pink is going to remove from it. So I can show the value. Right. So this is how we have learned till now that how we can declare array, how we can sort array, how we can find out the length of the array. We also have learned how we can push any element on the array and how we can remove it. Right? So you can also do a lot of things with an array. Like for example, I'm just going with one more very important part, which is slice. Now, what if I want to just want to use slice function? So see, slice function is little difficult to understand sometimes, but let me just make it clear to you. So it's suppose if I do slice of 1 comma 4. So first of all, I have to check according to array. When I'm checking, my lines are like, this is index number 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, right? So that means if I say 1, accordingly the black need to be shown, right? And when I say 4, till 4 means pink. Yes, but let's see what is the output. I can see black. That's okay. But can you see pink? No, it's the yellow. That means when I give the range of slice, it starts slicing from wherever you have given the starting point. But it will end it, whatever the number you have given, one step lesser to that. So that's why it just stopped as 1, 2, 3. So this 1 comma 4 basically means at least. That means no, at last, at least in maths. So this is 1, 2, and 3. These numbers will be visible. That's what the meaning of slice. Okay, so we have also seen slice. So there are like, this is the very important part I have covered up for the array. And there are few more things definitely. So if you just comment down below and let me know that if I can make you some more part of array easy, or maybe it is in your course, do let me know. I'll try to make a video, separate video for that. But this is the major array concept that I have covered. Okay, so thank you so much, and please subscribe to my channel for more such video. See you all in the next one. Bye bye.